What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out and installing the Mishimoto license plate relocation kit for the 2023 Nissan Z. Let's face it, cars look better with no front plate. Unfortunately for us, a majority of the states here in the US require a front plate for the vehicle. OEM plate brackets are bulky, ugly, and can even impede airflow. Not to mention, having to drill holes in your brand new bumper of your brand new car can never be fun and can be extremely cringeworthy. Luckily for all of us, Mishimoto has a no drill solution that works great and is 100% reversible. The best part? This kit installs in under 15 minutes, so this will not be one of those DIY projects that will take up your entire weekend. The Mishimoto license plate relocation kit is designed specifically for the 23 Nissan Z, allowing you to mount your license plate to your OEM tow hook. This means you can easily remove your front plate for a cleaner look if you were going to a car show, for example. Just don't forget to remount that bracket before hitting the streets again. With all that said, let's take a close look at the kit itself. The Mishimoto license plate kit is fabricated from high-strength 6061 aluminum, ensuring durability and longevity. The anodized black shaft and powder-coated plate bracket provide a durable and corrosion-resistant finish. It's built to withstand elements and any road conditions you may encounter. So whether you're driving through rain, snow, or anything else, you won't have to worry about the elements taking a toll on your license plate mount. This kit features an angled design that follows the contours of your bumper, reducing wind resistance and maintaining the sleek look of your Nissan Z. Another great feature of the Mishimoto license plate relocation kit is that it allows for full airflow to your critical cooling components. This ensures optimal cooling performance for your engine, especially during those intense driving sessions. Mishimoto has really thought of everything when designing this kit. So that about covers all you need to know with this relocation kit. Now let's get in the shop and show you how it's installed and then the finished product. First, remove the tow hook cover section of the grille to gain access to the front tow hook mount. Next, install the rod into the tow hook mount. Use a 1-inch wrench to tighten the rod. Slide the rotation locking bracket onto the rod. Using a 16mm wrench or socket, attach the license plate bracket in the desired orientation using the hex bolt and washer. Using a 3mm Allen wrench, install the button head locking bolt through the slot in the license plate bracket. Tighten to lock the rotation of the bracket. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, attach your license plate to the bracket with the 4 provided flange bolts.
All right, guys, there you have it. We just got the Mishimoto tow hook license plate bracket installed on our Nissan Z. If you live in a state that requires a front plate, this is a sleek and stylish way to stay legal. So if you guys like this video, make sure you're smashing that like button. If you got requests for any Z videos you'd like to see, put them down in the comments below. We'd love to see what you guys got. And if you don't want to miss out on any of the fresh videos, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.